Welcome to Passive Income Generation, Building a Sustainable Financial Future. In this video, we'll explore the concept of passive income and how it can transform your financial life. Imagine earning money while you sleep, without actively trading time for dollars. Whether you're a student or a young adult, understanding passive income is key to achieving financial freedom. Get ready to discover various passive income streams and learn how to create a sustainable financial future. Let's dive in. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore the exciting world of passive income. We all dream of financial independence and the freedom to live life on our own terms. Passive income is the secret ingredient that can turn those dreams into reality. Let's start by defining passive income. Unlike active income, which requires trading your time for money through a job or service, passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort. It's a way to generate income from investments, businesses, or other ventures that work for you even when you're not actively involved. It's a powerful tool that can provide financial security and open doors to new opportunities. Why is passive income so important? Well, it offers several key advantages. First, it allows you to break free from the traditional time for money equation, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, or explore new interests. Second, passive income provides a consistent stream of cash flow, even during times when you're not actively working. This creates stability and reduces financial stress. Additionally, passive income can grow over time, leading to financial abundance and wealth creation. Now, let's explore some popular passive income streams that you can tap into. Real estate investments, such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can generate steady rental income. Dividend-paying stocks offer regular payments to shareholders. Writing a book or creating digital products can generate passive income through royalties and sales. Another popular option is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. Online courses and membership sites allow you to share your knowledge and expertise while generating recurring income. With so many options available, it's essential to choose the right passive income stream that aligns with your interests, skills, and financial goals. Consider your strengths, passions, and the amount of time and capital you're willing to invest. Research and evaluate each opportunity, seeking guidance from experts or mentors if needed. Remember, the right passive income stream should resonate with you and provide a sustainable long-term income source. Building a passive income portfolio requires careful planning and execution. It's about creating multiple streams of income that work synergistically to support your financial goals. Start by setting clear financial objectives and identifying the passive income streams that can help you achieve them. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different asset classes or pursuing multiple income streams. Stay informed about the market trends and continually educate yourself about passive income strategies. As your portfolio grows, reinvest a portion of your passive income back into new income-generating ventures to accelerate your wealth-building journey. It's important to note that building a passive income stream takes time, patience, and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your passive income empire. Be prepared for challenges along the way, and remember that setbacks are opportunities for growth. Stay focused, adapt to changes, and remain committed to your financial goals. With time, your passive income streams will gain momentum and provide the financial stability you desire. Congratulations! You've now discovered the power of passive income and how it can transform your financial future. By exploring various passive income streams, choosing the right opportunities, and staying persistent, you're well on your way to building a sustainable financial empire. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to explore the world of passive income. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal finance. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to empower you with knowledge and strategies to create a life of financial abundance and freedom. Remember, passive income is the key to unlocking a brighter financial future.